In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a showcase in Vimeo in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, curating and presenting your videos in an engaging way is essential. This is where Vimeo's showcase feature comes in handy. So let's dive into the steps to efficiently set up your Vimeo showcase. Firstly, head over to vimeo.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it, but assuming most of you already do, let's log in and get started. Once inside your dashboard, you will see an array of options on your homepage. Look to the right side of the page and you'll find the Showcases section. Click on Showcases and this will bring you to the space where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Showcase section, you'll want to create a new one. Move your cursor to the top right of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New Showcase. Click on it and voila, you're on your way to designing your personalized showcase. Once you've clicked to create a new showcase, you'll be prompted to give it a title and a description. This is your chance to be creative and descriptive. Consider what will capture the essence of the videos you plan to include. The title should be catchy yet informative, while your description can provide additional context about what viewers can expect. Next, it's time to populate your showcase with content. You'll need to select the videos you want to include. Vimeo makes this easy by allowing you to select from the videos you've already uploaded. Simply browse through your video library, choose the ones that best fit your showcase theme and add them. After selecting your videos, you can give your showcase a more personalized touch. Vimeo offers customization options that let you add a logo, choose specific colors, and select a layout to fit the aesthetics you're aiming for. Adding a logo can be a great branding opportunity, especially if you're looking to create a cohesive look that aligns with your personal or professional brand. Don't forget to play around with the colors and layout options too. These elements can make your showcase visually appealing and help you leave a lasting impression on your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a vibrant and engaging Vimeo showcase that highlights your best work. Showcases are versatile, so feel free to update them with new content or tweak designs as needed. They're a fantastic way to organize your videos and present them to your audience in a professional manner. Thank you for joining me today, and happy showcasing.